Hey everyone, John Villarreal here, and this is the Confection stand silicone baking utensils. Just got these paid for with their own money. This is our honest review. This video is not sponsored by Confection stand. My wife definitely uses silicone baking utensils in the kitchen. She's been happy with that, so we wanted to add more to the collection. This seems like a nice collection. In terms of, you've got a little like baster there, you've got a spreader there for cakes, you've got some stirrers here that are smaller, so it's not as big if you're using something, maybe a smaller pan or some saute or something. So it's pretty cool, and you know, you can do different things. You can sort of scoop, and a little bit of a spoon aspect to it there, but also you can flip. Same thing here, sort of a spreader and maybe some flip action there. So they seem pretty sturdy. Great little set, pretty simple. We seem to like it. You let me know what you think. We've got all kinds of great product reviews, kitchen gadgets, different products. Also be sure to check out Salma's Kitchen for all kinds of great recipes. You can please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I know there's like a big percentage of people that view our videos and don't subscribe. Please subscribe, that'd be very helpful. And also please put on notifications. Thanks so much, and be sure to check out all of our other great videos. Thanks again, we'll see you next time.